250 किलोमीटर में फट चुकी है और हम लोग 8000 करने वाले हैं। लेट्स सी गाइस कैसे होता है।
I got broads in Atlanta, just to throw me in the family. Credit cards and the scammers, getting no licks in the band. Legacies.
Hello guys, this is Madhya. Today is 27. It's 8:30 right now. I'm at Karnal. I'm going to Kanyakumari, but my first stage is to reach Madhura. I'm at Karnal at 8:30. I'm waiting for my friend Rahul to join this trip. So the plan is to complete Kanyakumari to Kashmir road trip on motorcycle. We both having motorcycle with us. I left at 7:30 to rush and not getting time to pack all the things properly and avoid traffic. I didn't start the vlog from my home, and there was a huge traffic to reach here, and till I'm expecting traffic till Pune, maybe Satar. After that I can my view go smoothly. So waiting for Rahul. As soon as he arrives, we will fill up the petrol, and near about Pune we will have something which we packed from home to avoid wasting of time. So between 100 and 1500 kilometers break will complete our journey. Let's see. After a long time I'm riding, and this is night ride after my last year GP. So around 2 AM that will be very difficult to maintain speed and to control sleep. So let's see how this journey will start. Your blessing will require your blessing. So guys, we are at Panvel and Rahul is arrived. So Rahul, you want to say something for our journey?
Hello, wish us luck guys.
Okay, so you can see our bikes. These are Rahul bikes, Avengers. It is fully loaded and he is doing something tie up properly. From now onwards we will be riding much faster than us now, and you can see Mathura is fully packed and fully loaded here. So we'll start our big journey from now towards Pune, and if I get time I will start vlogging from Pune now.
ओके गाइस, अभी बजे है 11:26 और हम लोग अभी पुणे से जस्ट डिनर करके निकले हैं। हमने घर से ही आया था, सो उससे हमारा टाइम बच जाए। और यहाँ पे मौसम तो कहर बरसा रहा है, ठंड से पूरे वाट लगी हुई है। It's almost 16 or 15 temperature here, and first time I am wearing my third winter layer with this jacket, but still I am getting too much cold. So we are heading towards Satara now. We'll take a break for tea or maybe coffee. We almost ride 130 kilometers non-stop from Panvel to Pune. We'll possibly get less traffic after Satara, and I am riding after a very long time, so I'm feeling sleepy. Not that. We are at we are reaching to the Satara. I don't know which hill road is. lights are very helpful for me, at least I can see clearly. I have another pair I am not using right now because this is sufficient. I don't want to blind upcoming vehicle. ये क्या कर रहा है रे बाबा? We are at about to reach Karnal and we completed around 260 kilometers. The problem is that here is very cold. It's too much. I checked the temperature showing 13 and on motorcycle I must be facing 9 or 8. ये 250 किलोमीटर में फट चुकी है और हम लोग 8000 करने वाले हैं. Let's see guys कैसे होता है. Good morning. So रात को 3:30 के आसपास हम लोग कोल्हापुर के आसपास पहुँचे एंड उसके बाद हमारी हालत इतनी ख़राब थी कि ऑफिस एंड उसके बाद पैकिंग फिर वापस राइड, काफ़ी नींद आ रही थी और रात को 3 से 6 बजे का जो पीरियड होता है वो काफ़ी डेंजरस होता है टू राइड. अगर आप अच्छी नींद लेके राइड कर रहे हो सो यू कैन डू इट, अदरवाइज इट विल बी डेंजरस फॉर यू. हमने नींद तो नहीं ली थी सो जिसके कारण हमें काफ़ी नींद आ रही थी. एंड सेकेंड थिंग, हम कोई रेड बुल वगैरह नहीं यूज़ करते हैं, ना ही कोई एनर्जी ड्रिंक यूज़ करते हैं वो नेचुरली. सो उस वजह से प्रॉब्लम ये हुआ कि हमने डिसीजन लिया कि हम लोग 2 घंटा एटलीस्ट रेस्ट लेते हैं. सो हम लोग चाह रहे थे कि एटलीस्ट 6 बजे तक हम लोग निकले, बट नींद इतनी थी कि हम लोग ने सोचा कि चलो 8 बजे तक लेते फिर आराम से करते. सो वी आर नॉट टेकिंग एनी रिस्क, एनी हरी. बॉडी साथ होगी तो माइंड फ्रेश रहेगा, तो राइड कंप्लीट होगी. तो ये हिसाब से हम लोग चल रहे हैं. लेट्स सी हाउ इट इज. अभी टारगेट है 4 या 5 बजे तक बैंगलोर कंप्लीट हो जाए. देन विल टेक कॉल गो अहेड टिल मदुराई और टेक हॉल्ट इन मिडल. Heading towards Tamil Nadu and it's 7 p.m. evening and we completed around 961 kilometers till now. The road is good. To reach Tamil Nadu it will take Google showing 4 hours 47 minutes, almost 5 hours, and I don't think we can make it because we need a break also. So we will try as much as we can reach and then in for the today's session. Good morning friends, and second day we are running. We left Salem just now and see the weather. It's heavily running and I guess it's still Kanyakumari. So this is problem for us because we don't have much time left. So for GPS you can see my jugaad. I wish I could get clear weather. It's a beautiful road of
we reached the Rameshwaram and around 4:30. No, yes, 5 p.m. Yes, 5 p.m. we are at Rameshwaram and we are waiting for passing the train. So once the train passes, we will go to the moving. If you can see my behind side, there is a Jalandhar with MR. You see, it's very good.